Once again, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you're standing by number star. The number star equals the seat on next tram. If you're wearing the plaid shirt in car 3, you want to get up here and high. There we are. Again, ladies and gentlemen, you should stand behind the red line and on the number star. The red line keeps the Wolverine at bay. Make sure you're standing behind the red line. Make sure you're standing on the numbered star. That numbered star equals the seat of next tram. Again, folks, the next
evening. Your driver is Carl. Won't you give him a nice round of applause, please?
These new HD monitors look pretty cool.
All right, we'll be off in just a moment. And wave goodbye to all those folks over there because you will never see them again. Don't you love this time of year? Halloween is a time when there are no rules. That being said, we do have a few rules, okay? But they're for your own safety. Please remain seated at all times. This tram is moving, keeping arms and legs on the inside. Now, if you happen to have a small child with you tonight, I have to ask, what the hell were you thinking? But if you do have a small child with you, just place them in the center of the row and away from the outside gates. Now, let's get down to it. I'm going to assume that a lot of you guys are horror movie fans, am I right? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Great. I'm about to take you to Universal's infamous backlot where some of the greatest horror movies of all time were made. Make sure you have your cameras ready. You don't want to miss this. What is it? Oh. Hello. Like Monopoly.
You are here tonight for one reason. You want to be scared. You want to know the thrill of being plunged to death without ever having to confront it face to face. This is why you watch horror movies, to experience death at a safe distance. Well, tonight, all of that is about to change. When this vehicle stops, the doors will open, and you will get out and walk through a series of tests. Tests inspired by the very horror movies that you are so obsessed with. If you ever ask yourself why you watch horror movies, then let me ask you, Darren Roberts, for you and your friends, horror movies are an act of rebellion or counter anything that your parents object to. But do your parents know about your other hobbies? The acts of vandalism that you've committed. You'll do anything to leave your mark, but now you are the one who is marked. And you, Sherry Matthews, you say that horror movies give you a rush of adrenaline. But adrenaline is not the only thing coursing through your veins, is it, Sherry? Your friends know about your secret addictions. Do they know about the things that you have stolen from them to feed those addictions? And what of you, Charles Roebuck? You say horror movies are just an escape. But what are you running from? Could it be the alcoholism that is ruining your life?
sister. I don't even
Even now, your brother was out taken away.
Yeah.
The one you snuck out of security. The day of reckoning has arrived for all of you. But to survive, you're going to need help. And to succeed, you must survive it together. The game is about to begin. When you are selfish, individual needs trump the safety and well-being of the group. Remember, stay together, for even if one of you doesn't make it to the other side, you will all pay the ultimate price. Lose one, lose all. Live or die. The choice is up to you. Let the game begin.
You heard the man? It's time to go. It's time to go.
Welcome to the
I wish I could go with you, but I'm on the clock. So, I'll see you. I'll see you on the other side. Gather your things, your special effects, your bag of tricks, and prepare